Hi, in this video we will talk about that lower creatinine after 30 days by eating these 7 Superfoods Daily. Reducing creatinine levels naturally is a goal many individuals strive for, particularly those concerned about kidney health. While medical interventions are sometimes necessary, dietary changes can also play a crucial role in managing creatinine levels. We'll explore a 30-day dietary plan focused on foods known to support kidney function and aid in lowering creatinine levels. By incorporating these dietary recommendations into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards better kidney health and potentially achieve lower creatinine levels within a month. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are renowned for their antioxidant properties, particularly their abundance of flavonoids like anthocyanins. These compounds have been shown to combat inflammation and protect against oxidative stress in the kidneys, bursting with antioxidants and numerous health benefits. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can potentially lead to lower creatinine levels within just 30 days. Properties of blueberries and incorporate them into your meals to reap maximum kidney health. Number 2. Kale. Kale is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its high concentration of vitamins A, C, and K, along with potassium, makes it an excellent choice for kidney health. Kale contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation and prevent kidney damage. Incorporating kale into your meals or blending it into smoothies can contribute to healthier kidneys and lower creatinine levels. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your dishes, it also offers numerous health benefits, including support for kidney function. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic helps improve kidney function and mitigate the risk of kidney damage. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, including allicin, which contribute to its distinctive aroma and health benefits. Research suggests that antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect kidney function and reduce creatinine levels. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a superb source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients for kidney health. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate inflammation in the kidneys and enhance overall kidney function. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to kidney damage and elevated creatinine levels. Consuming salmon regularly, you can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and support optimal kidney function, potentially leading to lower creatinine levels over time. Number 5. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers boast an array of vitamins, including A, C, and B6, along with antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. Nutrients help combat inflammation and shield the kidneys from damage. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating red bell peppers into your daily diet may offer significant benefits for kidney function and overall well-being. Properties of red bell peppers and provide practical tips on how to lower creatinine levels naturally within just 30 days. Number 6. Cranberries. Cranberries contain antioxidants, called proanthocyanidins, which have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Cranberries are known for their ability to promote urinary tract health and prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can indirectly support kidney function. By incorporating cranberries into your diet, you can potentially reduce inflammation, protect kidney cells from damage, and lower creatinine levels over time. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only a delicious and hydrating fruit but also beneficial for kidney health. Its high water content, watermelon, promotes hydration and assists in flushing toxins out of the kidneys. It contains compounds like lycopene and citrulline, which support kidney function and reduce oxidative stress. Watermelon as a snack or adding it to salads and smoothies can contribute to healthier kidneys and lower creatinine levels.